What's going on, guys? Back today to do a quick little badging video on the Tacoma. I got blacked out emblems, the black badging for the V6 and the Tacoma side pieces, and then the black inserts for the inset Tacoma logo on the bed. This isn't a unique upgrade. I see a lot of people do it, whether it be black or I've seen a guy with an American flag one. A lot of things you can do and a lot of people do it, but it is something that just helps with that little touch that helps, you know, make your car your own, little upgrades, little touches, you know. So let's start off with the easy part and do the tailgate with the blacked out letters. So I think probably my first mistake, I didn't wash my car first. And it is a little dirty. It's rained a little bit, you know, there's tree pollen in the air and all that kind of stuff, but hoping, you know. So after wiping that down with a wet and dry paper towel, I'm gonna just spray a little alcohol on here just to give it that extra little bit of a clean touch. So inside the package, it even came with instructions on how to put them on and the before and after. Pretty self-explanatory. And so the bag, you can see, not 3M backed. Not that worried about it. I mean, it's 20 bucks. I mean, if I gotta get it, I'll get it, but hopefully. I'm just gonna lightly press that in there. Just make sure it's lined up. I don't want it to be crooked. Looks pretty straight. Push that down. I don't know about you, but when I do stuff like this, I get nervous because I am just OCD about things being straight. I'm surprised I don't have a level out here, making sure it's level. I think that came out real well. That is, I think, as straight and as even inside of those letters as it's gonna get. Of course, I'm sure there's probably imperfection in there somewhere, but I mean, 20 bucks, you can't beat that. I mean, if you're not dead looking at it, trying to find something, I mean, it just looks factory. Looks like it came from the factory, just like that. Looks good. All right, now what I'm gonna do is, so I know exactly where this is, and actually the way this looks from the factory, it's a little cockeyed, but so I know exactly where this is, I'm gonna take some blue tape and tape it off, and I'm gonna straighten it up from there. Yeah, I don't wanna have to get a heat gun, because I hate, it's always a little risky with the paint. You know, I don't wanna leave it on too long, and it's the whole thing. I did that before. Not messing anything up, but I'm saying I did it before, and it's always just a little nerve-wracking doing that. Another little trick was getting some dental floss and running it through the back. Looks like I'm gonna need the dental floss. Run that right back there. Ah, son of a bitch. The fishing line would work better. You know, I did have some fishing line. As I'm thinking about this, it may look better without the V6 on there at all, even if it was blacked out. Wear some gloves when you're doing this, because fishing line will cut into your finger, that's for sure. I'm thinking, when I peel this off, I don't have any Goo Gone, but the rubbing alcohol should take care of that. frick. Getting the rest of that off. You know, I took it off, but now I'm not sure if I should just leave it off. I think it looks cleaner without it. Now, I can always put it back on. It doesn't need to be in the same spot. I can always put it on later, but maybe... I think it looks better without it. I mean, I always have it if I want to put it on. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell with that blue tape, but I think it looks better without it. And I got these from 2 different places, and it kind of looks like, in this lighting anyway, it looks like this is just a hair blacker than this, but that just could be the lighting and the shadow right now. It may not be. It may look spot on in the light. I think I'm gonna leave it off. And that actually just took it straight off the back. That should just peel right off. Could just leave it like that. It's black. I really need some goo gone is what I need. There it is, I got it off. And you know, I started stressing about getting every tiny last bit of residue off of there. Using alcohol, using the WD-40, rubbing it with my fingers to get it off. Then I was like, you know what? I'm just putting one right back on. It's not like I'm leaving it blank. So once I get it clean enough to stick to, I think these ones are just a hair shorter than the OEM ones. These come in at 13.5, I believe, and I think the factory ones are just a hair longer. I'm not sure, but I mean, it's pretty close. Very close. Looks good. So what I'm gonna do is just do the other side off camera. Same process. Come back when it's done and we'll end it off. All right guys, all done. Both sides are done. It came out great. I'm gonna show you the difference in size. You can see where the chrome one is just slightly a little bigger, just a little longer. And it may have something to do with copywriting, I'm not sure. But you can't even tell the difference in size until you put it right next to it. It's maybe not even a 1/4 of an inch difference, but both sides came out great. Looks sharp, looks good. Hopefully the light picks up back here. It's getting dark out here tonight. Left the V6 off. I think cleans up the back of the tailgate real nice. So yeah guys, there it is. Looking good. All right guys, so there it is, quick badge video, nothing to it. And thanks for watching. See you next time.